I love this kind of weather. It's the best weather out there. Okay, took out half the tree, I see. Never mind. All of the tree now, okay. What is it? New fear definitely just got unlocked. Do not go swimming during a lightning storm, guys. Oh my goodness. What? In a branch formation? Oh yeah, that car is done. Imagine the insurance call afterwards. Oh dude. No. Man's got saved by a millisecond. What? It's coming from the underground? That's craziness. Lightning has no limits. Damn. This is insane. Goodness gracious. Wow.